The overall goal of this procedure is to develop a methodology for high-moisture pelleting of biomass using a binder in a flat-die pellet mill.
This method can help to answer key questions in the bioenergy field, such as how to reduce the cost of pellet production while producing pellets that meet quality specifications necessary for different transportation scenarios. The main advantage of this technique is that it is customizable to the needs of each end user, and the information learned can then be used as the basis to develop scale-up models and for testing the process in pilot scale and commercial scale pellet mills.
Use a laboratory-scale flat-die pellet mill equipped with a 10-horsepower motor to carry out the pelleting tests. Wrap heating tape around the lower portion of the hopper on all 4 sides. Then screw on the feeder and insulate the hopper and feeder with glass wool to prevent heat loss. Next, connect the heating tape to a temperature controller so that the biomass can be preheated. Then, connect a VFD to the pellet mill motor. The feeder motor is controlled with a potentiometer, so direct current is used to adjust the pellet mill feeding speed. Next, connect a power meter to the pellet mill motor to record the motor's power consumption. Then, select a pellet die with an 8 mm diameter opening and a length to diameter ratio of 2.6. Adjust the spacing between the roller and die to 0.18 to 0.20 millimeters. Lastly, add a horizontal pellet